Hi, so we're here with Jonas Nyvang from Stillride. Just come off stage at DEVELOP3D Live this year. It's great to have you here. It's great to come over.
Hosting me.
Yeah, it's good that you make the journey to the UK.
Yeah, it was a pretty short journey, so it wasn't too bad actually.
So on stage today, you were obviously talking about Stillride, but also Stillfold. Tell us a little bit about that.
Sure. So the bike we produce at the moment, coming out to the market next year. It's created with this technology that we developed that's called Stillfold, and it's a form of industrial origami. So we use a software that we created and a machine setup to fold the steel with minimal parts, minimal material, and as a very distinct design DNA. So that's our kind of showcase to the market as well. You know, that we can produce with this technology.
It's got a really distinct aesthetic as well, just like the sort of the steel and the edges and the effect you can get with the level, the edges and things like that.
Yeah, true. I mean, we're dancing with the steel. We want to make the most out of it. So realizing the full potential of the steel plates.
Yeah, and it's got a wonderful sustainability angle as well, because obviously you can recycle the steel. What goes into a product, it has a circular economy kind of feel to it as well. Is that always at the heart of it, being Swedish and the Swedish steel industry, or?
Yeah, I think. We started out from, wanting to produce something with a high lifetime, a long lifetime, and minimal footprint, made in harmony with nature almost. If you can do that.
Yeah, and then you've got so much interest as well. I know the announcement with Alstom and other companies as well that are happening.
Yeah,
it's really taking off as a method of production.
Yeah, I think we're still early days, but we're pushing ahead, and we're super happy for the attention and the interest from. I think to get these big, gigantic companies to change the way they produce things. We need to get them on board on the technology. So I think that's. Otherwise, it's going to take too long for them to adopt, and it's better if they come to us and then we come to them and knock on their door. With
the influence with the EV bike, the scooter, the Stillride one, it's such a distinct design as well. Was it really important to have that distinctive design to capture people's attention?
That's a dream that my co-founder has. He's had that design in his mind for 30 years. If you saw we call it the grandpa Stillride, the vintage Stillride. That was created in '93. So he's been
working
refining that for ages. Even when he's been out, when I've been out on the pub, on a bar with him. When he meets a girl, he draws the bike on a napkin. Just to check if she likes it. So he's totally obsessed with this design.
Market research at its finest. That's brilliant. Oh, excellent. Well, it's been great to have you at DEVELOP3D Live this year. It's been a wonderful show so far. And thank you very much, Jonas.
Thank you.